If you're designing a part that's symmetric, you can save yourself time by using the mirror feature. With the mirror feature, you can replicate individual features, faces, or bodies. In this lesson, we'll take a look at mirroring features and one special case of mirroring bodies. When we talk about features, we're talking about 3D geometry, like this cutout here. In order to mirror 3D geometry, we need to have a plane, or a flat face to use as a reference. In this case, if I show the right plane, you can see it passes through the center of this part. I'll be using this plane to mirror the cutout. The mirror feature can be launched using this icon, or from the drop-down menu. Like with other features, all I have to do is go through the options in the Property Manager and click the green check to finish. First, I have to indicate which face or plane I want to use as my reference. I can select the plane here, or from the Feature Manager. Next, I need to specify which feature I wish to mirror. As with the plane, I can either select the feature from the Feature Manager tree or directly from the graphics window. To select a feature graphically, you must select a face that is unique to that feature. For example, to select the keyhole slot, I need to select one of these faces which is unique to the cut. If you hover your cursor for a second over the face, a flag will also pop up identifying the feature that you're hovering over. After selecting a feature to mirror, right away you can see a preview of the geometry that will be replicated. To finish, I just click the green check and I'm done. Just like other features, the mirror feature will be listed in the Feature Manager tree. If I need to make a change, I can right-click on it and select Edit Feature. In this case, for example, I can add the boss to replicate both features at the same time.